Hi, I made a drum using recycled materials. I used paper, crayons, tape, a recycled coffee container, and I have here paintbrushes, but you could use pencils if that's what you have in the classroom. And this is how I would instruct my students to use this drum, or they could use their hands. And I think this can be integrated into a math lesson, having students create a drum, then having them create a measure explaining the notes that they used and how many beats in the measure. And you can also incorporate this in a reduce, reuse, and recycle lesson. Thank you for watching.